Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear and lovely students. I miss you all. Today inshallah we will continue the previous lesson, how are rocks classified. We can classify rocks for three types. Number one, igneous rocks. Number two, sedimentary rocks. Number three, metamorphic rocks. We already finished two types, the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Today inshallah we will study metamorphic rocks. What are metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have changed as a result of heat and pressure. Again, rocks that have changed as a result of heat and pressure are known as metamorphic rocks. So, this type of rocks formed by heat and pressure. Heat and pressure. So metamorphic means this kind of rocks formed when pressure and heat acting on another kind of rocks. So metamorphic rocks can form in several ways. Number one, heat and pressure may cause the mineral crystals in the rocks to change. Number two, it sometimes happens when the chemicals in the rocks form a new type of minerals. The chemical substance inside the rock form a new types of mineral. For example, there is a mineral called graphite. Do you know graphite, guys? Graphite inside your pencil. Okay? The material that you use to write in your pencil, it is graphite. The mineral graphite is made entirely of carbon. It's made of carbon, but with enough heat and pressure can turn graphite into diamond. Diamond, yes guys, diamond and graphite both made of carbon. Okay, metamorphic rocks can form from sedimentary and igneous and other metamorphic rocks. For example, limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock, can become metamorphic rock marble by heat and pressure. Another example, the igneous rock granite can become the metamorphic rock gneiss. Now we will study how rocks that has already been changed sometimes go through even more changes. We will study an example for sedimentary rocks change to metamorphic rocks. It has four steps. Observe guys, the first is the types of rocks called shale. Shale is a soft sedimentary rock that often contains fossils. Shale that is exposed to heat and pressure can turn into much harder rock called slate. Second kind is slate. Slate doesn't usually have fossils because the heat and pressure destroy the fossils. More heat and pressure can change slate into other metamorphic rocks, such as rocks called flite. So the third type is flite. Flite is a rock. Layers of minerals, mica and chloride, give flite a silky look. Look guys, to the flite, it has a silky look. More heat and pressure can change this flite into new kind of metamorphic rock. It can become a rock called schist. Schist is the fourth stage in this change. Schist has large grains than flite. So guys, we have four steps here. We start with sedimentary rock called shale with heat and pressure. It's changed to a new type of rocks called slate. Slate is metamorphic rocks because it's come from another type of rocks. With more heat and pressure, this type slate can change to a new one, has a silky look called flite. Flite with more heat and pressure also can change to a new metamorphic rocks called schist. Schist has large grain than the flite rocks. Now let's answer question number 8. How can shale become a schist? How can shale become schist? If you observe guys, this question talking about what we studied before 2 minutes or 3 minutes, the steps for changing from shale to schist. So, shale is a sedimentary rocks. Increasing heat and pressure can change shale into slate. And also with more pressure and heat, slate can change into flite. Then with more heat and pressure, flite can change to schist. Okay? Let's answer question number 9. Compare and contrast what feature do these four rocks have in common? Observe guys, we have four rocks: shale, slate, flite, and schist. Observe. Yes, all have layers. All of them have layers. Okay, that's fine. This is all today. Thank you for watching guys. See you soon. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.